The iPad mini has always been a unique device in the tech world. It's the tablet that fits right between being too small and too big, which makes it great for things like working on the go, watching videos, and everything else in between. The iPad mini 6, which came out in 2021, was a big upgrade. But now, as we approach the end of 2024, everyone is wondering what the next iPad mini will bring and if it's going to be worth waiting for. Let's begin with the design. The iPad mini 6 had a fresh, modern look with flat edges and an all-screen front. It seems like Apple won't be making major changes to this with the iPad mini 7. Most reports suggest it will have a similar design. The same 8.3-inch screen, Touch ID, and the power button, and overall the same shape and size. If you are hoping for a completely new design, you might be disappointed. But for those who already love the current look, there's nothing to worry about. One thing that might change is the color options. Recently, Apple has been experimenting with more colorful designs, so we might see new colors for the iPad mini 7. It could match some of the latest iPhone colors. There's even talk of a new deep red color, which could look really good on the mini's small body. One issue with the iPad mini 6 was the jelly scrolling problem, where scrolling on the screen didn't feel smooth and even. It's expected that Apple will fix this problem in the iPad mini 7 by adjusting the way the screen is made. However, don't expect Apple to add high-end features like promotion for faster screen refresh rates or OLED displays, as those are likely reserved for the more expensive iPad Pro models. Still, if Apple can fix the scrolling issue while keeping the screen quality high, that's already a good improvement. It's not flashy, but for those who found the issue annoying, it's a big win. The biggest upgrade for the iPad mini 7 will likely be in its performance. The iPad mini 6 came with the A15 Bionic chip, which still works well today. But for 2024, rumors say that Apple will upgrade the mini with the A17 chip. This chip is expected to come from the iPhone 15 Pro and should bring faster performance and better efficiency. This means quicker processing, smoother multitasking, and possibly even longer battery life. Some people are wondering if Apple will use the full A17 Pro chip or a slightly weaker version. If it's the full chip, the mini might even get features like advanced graphics and better AI-powered tasks. Either way, the A17 will be a big step up, making the iPad mini even better for things like gaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks. Now let's talk about the price. The iPad mini 6 currently starts at $499, which is $100 more than the regular iPad. Since most of the changes in the iPad mini 7 are expected to be internal, things you can't see, like performance improvements, it's unlikely that Apple will raise the price much. If anything, the price might stay the same, which would be a relief since tech prices have been going a lot lately. However, if Apple decides to add a higher-end OLED display, we could see a price increase. As for when it will come out, there have been some delays in production. One source, Ming-Chi Kuo, has said that mass production of the iPad mini 7 might not start until the second half of 2024, which means it could be announced at Apple's usual fall event. But another source, Mark Gurman, has suggested it could be delayed until early 2025, so there's still some uncertainty about when exactly it will be released. The iPad mini 7 might not be the huge upgrade that some people are hoping for, but that doesn't mean it's not worth considering. The combination of a faster A17 chip and fixing the display issues would make it a solid choice for anyone who wants a powerful, small tablet. It may not be the most exciting update, but sometimes improving what's already great is the best way forward. Do you think the iPad mini 7 is worth the wait? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.